Okay, let's make some block letters. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, and some coloring tools, some that don't smudge, because you're going to put this on the front of your sketchbook. Okay, so let's start off with just the pencil. You're going to try to manage the tone of your pencil, make it nice and light, and write your name nice and big. My name for this will be Name. How creative of me. So I write it nice and big letters across the paper. Okay, now I'm going to take one of my coloring tools. So I'm going to use a permanent marker, and I'm just going to make lines outside of the pencil lines that I drew. So all the way around. I'm making mine kind of rounded so they look a little bit like bubbles, and I go around each letter. Now as you get better at making block letters like this, you're going to be able to take out the step of the pencil and just be able to draw letters by themselves. But you know, the pencil's there to help you if you're just learning how to do this. Okay, so you're going to outline all the letters like that, and then you take the eraser and we're going to erase that pencil. Okay, so now it looks just like block letters. The pencil was just there to help us to space out our letters and to guide how we made our block letters. Okay, now the next bit, of course, is totally up to you, how you want to decorate it. I did a pretty rush job on mine. You'll see this is all sped up so you can see I was coloring in some patterns onto my letters. Okay, and then when you're all done, you'll have a finished product that might look a little bit like this.